Ano niya, Mr. Maravillas, yung nangyari kay Pastor Capes? Umuusok po si Capes ngayon. Nagpupuyo sa galit po. Tinawag po yung Senate investigation ni Risa Hontiveros.
Nagpapagang mga balita at magtalakay sa mga isyu na lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Pero, bogos niya, bogos. What? Siguro napakinggan na po ninyo yung testimony ng dalawang Ukrainian members ng pastoral. Sabi ko nga po sa unang video natin, pag pinakinggan mo yung kwento, para kang nanonood ng triple X na movie. Ganon katindi yung kalasuan, mga kababayan, na lumitaw sa Senate investigation ni Risa Hontiveros. So ito po, mga kababayan, iparinig ko yung portion ng speech ni Risa. Two Ukrainian pastorals accused Kibuloy of sexual abuse. Sabi po sa report ng ABS-CBN. Sabi dito sa report ng Manila Standard, Kibuloy dares ex-members to file charges, call Senate probe bogus. Ayan po, mga kababayan. Uminaan niya, Mr. Maravillas, talaga yung powers ng may-ari ng universe. Hindi na-stop yung Senate investigation ni Hontiveros, nawalan po ng power. Napasok. O ngayon, pinapasumpe na po ng Senado si Capes kasi hindi nag-attend po ng investigasyon ng Senado. Yan po yung report ng GMA News Online. Senate panel subpenas Kibuloy for escaping probe. Mas matindihan niya, Mr. Maravillas. Mas matindi kay Senior Aguila. Mas matindi po kay Senior Aguila yung lumabas sa mga testimony ng mga witnesses po, pati foreigners, biktima po, Ukrainian. But before ko, mga kababayan, ibigay sa inyo yung full story, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video. At huwag na rin po ninyo na skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagunlad ng bagong Pilipinas. Iparinig ko po sa inyo yung opening statement sa investigation ni Senator Risa Hontiveros. Nasyak po siya, no? Shock na shock si Risa Hontiveros. Pariwan niya ng nangyari doon sa kay Senior Aguila. Tingnan ninyo ang pagka-shock ni Risa. Iparinig ko po sa inyo yung audio para hindi tayo ma-copyright. Yun ang importante doon.
Para mang-abuso ng mga tao. Ako po'y na-shock na madinig kung gaano kapareho ang mga kwento. Mas malaki lang ito at mas matagal ang organisasyon. Mukhang pareho lang ang modus. Ginagamit ang relihiyon para manlinlang ang tao at maghasik ng kasamaan at pang-aabuso. Kung paano ni Senyor Aguila ang bulag na paniniwala para linlangin ang mga miyembro ng kanyang kulto, ganoon din ginamit at patuloy na ginagamit ni Apollo Kibuloy ang bulag na paniniwala para abusuhin ang mga miyembro ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ. There are many things that I've uncovered in the course of preparing for this hearing. May ebidensya tayo ng panggagahasa sa menor de edad, ng pisikal na pang-aabuso sa mga mismong tagapagsunod nila, kagaya pa naman ng paglagay ng sili sa mata at ari at pagbagok ng ulo sa pader, ng sapilitang panggagamit sa mga bata na manlimos sa kalsada. Kung mapatunayan sa hukuman na totoo, these all constitute charges of child abuse, serious physical injuries, and even human trafficking, which warrants life imprisonment. Di po nakakagulat na ito mismo ang kinakaharap ng kaso ni Ginoong Kibuloy sa Estados Unidos. Ito daw, si Ginoong Kibuloy, ay mahilig palibutan ang sarili ng mga magagandang babae. Yung mga choir sa likod niya, purong magaganda. At itong mga photos na ito ay public photos na galing sa internet at sa media. Mayroon po tayong documentation ng mga babaeng taga-Ukraine na paulit-ulit na pinagsamantalahan ni Kibuloy sa paniniwalang ang pakikipagtalik sa kanya ay pagsasakripisyo para sa Diyos Ama.
What?
Sila ay kasama din sa choir ni Kibuloy.
Matindi po.
Panoorin po natin ang mga video na ito bilang bahagi ng aking opening statement. Ang mga babaeng ito ay handang magbigay ng kanilang testimonya in person kung hindi lang dahil sa matinding digmaan sa Ukraine ngayon.
Matindi
Sila po
po.
ay nagbigay ng kanilang consent para ipalabas ang videos na ito. So, panoorin muna natin si Elias Sofia.
Elias Sofia po yung una. Ayan po siya mga kababayan. Oh. Elias Sofia. Ukrainian po. Kwininto niya kung paano siya pinagsamantalaan po. Kaya lang yung English niya hindi masyadong kasi Ukrainian siya, hindi man siya Amerikano. Hindi masyado, iwan ko, i-try natin, pakinggan po.
In a dorm, like a building, a separate building. And most of the people there was Ukrainian.
Tell me how your relationship with Pastor Kibuloy developed or unfolded.
At first, our relationship was very good, very warm, very friendly.
Friendly daw.
It's
Yan,
like life, there's nothing about that. They transferred me in one room with Jack Roy. She's pastoral in one of the rooms. Like she's very close to pastor. And I live with her in one room.
Parang Russian siya kung magsalita. Ukrainian kasi, Russian din.
Jack Roy and other girls of pastorals are Filipino. They used to fellowship to me like, are you ready to sacrifice everything to God, to the Father? Like,
Ginamit yung Diyos
of
po.
course, I'm ready to sacrifice. I leave my job, I leave my school, I leave my friends and my parents.
Iniwan niya lahat.
A lot of
Family, friends.
What do you mean? I cannot understand because I already sacrificed
Pinaniwala
the
po.
life that I choose and I live and I believe that God's
Ready ka
way
niya
for
mag-sacrifice
me.
ng
And
sarili
they
mo,
were just
pati
like,
buhay
even
mo.
your body you can sacrifice.
When he see that there is no Ukrainian,
Para sa Diyos daw.
so he start more and more to talk to me. Are you want to sacrifice? Are you want to sacrifice everything, even your body? I'm very innocent. I
Pati
really
yung katawan mo
innocent.
niya.
Nobody talk to me like straightly that this is what will happen. And I remember that time came and the judge came to me in the night and she said, I want you to massage Pastor.
Nagpamasahe si Kibbs daw sa kanya.
When the judge called me for night to massage him,
Ah.
I didn't think that this is what would happen. Even
Parang
though
na-hypnotize siya.
And she saw that I'm crying. but
Sunod-suro na
I
lang siya.
do what they want
Pero
to
umiyak
do.
siya, mga kababayan.
I put this pajama and crying and scaring in the night and they put it because I never stay in the pastor alone in the night in the dark and I was normal. It was big room.
Ninenervyos siya.
There was one little room though at the job lead me there and she said go in the pastor's room. And I just
Triple X po yung kwento.
room because I was scary and I was crying and pastor was waiting for me. Till he realized that I'm not coming and he by myself went out and put me in his room. And I was like scary, like massage my feet, here, little by little, and I was very nervous and it was dark. Then he started to move my hands to put on his back, but he said massage here and I said, oh my God, okay. And I massaged. And after that, little by little,
Hinawakan daw yung
he
puwit
turned to
niya.
me And he removed my clothes. And,
Tinanggal na siya, tinanggal yung kanyang damit.
I was very shocked. I was like, I cannot explain.
Parang porno movie po.
This is what happened. He just removed my clothes and have sex with me.
Women below the age of 18 years old, were they also being used sexually?
Yeah, I didn't know about this for how
Below
many
18 years old siya, no?
before I left Philippines. I heard from others like she's very close to Pastor. She grew up with him. She's a senior there.
Ganun katindi po. Parang nanonood ka ng triple X movie o porno videos. Pag pinakinggan mo po, karumal-dumal. Ganon din po ang sinapit nitong alias Nina. After it's like late at night, sabi rito. Yung 10 oras ng gabi, pinapapasok siya sa kwarto para magpamassage po. The same yung strategy, mga kababayan. Then, nangyari yung mga hindi dapat mangyari. Pakinggan po ninyo siya.
I didn't think anything. And then when Pastor Kikulod called me, he was asking me if I will become a pastoral. And he said that you must sacrifice everything.
You must sacrifice everything niya. Parehas yung sinasabi.
Very innocent to that. I did not understand. I thought it just sacrifice your body. That it's
You sacrifice niya your body.
like that. There was time that he was calling me at night again. And then
Sa gabi siya
he was
tinatawag.
trying to explain to me what is the meaning of that. Like you have to sacrifice your body. You have to have a sex with him.
You have to have SEX.
It's like
Ayan po, mga foreigner sila, mga Ukrainian, dalawang Ukrainian. Ang sabi, willing sila na mag-testimony dito sa Senado. Kung hindi lang sana, mga kababayan, nasa giyera sila. Ang hirap lumabas sa kanilang bansa ngayon kasi may giyera yung Ukraine tapos yung Russia. Durog-durog na yung mga cities ng Ukraine, mga kababayan. Ganun pala na Mr. Maravillas, katindi yung yung best friend ni Maudigs. Spiritual advisor po ni Maudigs, si Pastor Kibbs. Kaya naman pala niya, Mr. Maravillas, ganun mag-behave yung dating Pangulo. Ganun ba? Nagtaka pa kayo? O ngayon, sabi ni Kibbs, bogus niya yan na investigasyon. Hindi niya ako magsasubmit yan. Ayan po. In a video statement played over his sex Facebook page, Kibuloy stressed he will not submit himself to a bogus hearing ng Senado. He challenged Ontiveros to help his supposed victims file charges in court where there is fair play niya. Sabay deny ng mga charges laban sa kanya. Wala man niyang katotohanan yung rape charges kasi it was already dismissed by a court in Davao City in that the sexual abuses he supposedly perpetrated onto Ukrainian women pastorals were untrue. Hindi man niya yan totoo. Ngayon, pinapasubbe na siya kasi ng Senado na kailangan personal siya na mag-appear. Ngayong unang hearing po kasi absent si Kibbs. According to Hontiveros, Kibuloy has sent a letter to Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri. Although Kibuloy sent his lawyer to attend the hearing, Hontiveros said the pastor's legal counsel would be irrelevant because the accusations of the victim should be directly addressed by the religious leader. Kayo, pastor, ang dapat humarap sa susunod na pagdinig because you are being subpoenaed by this committee. Hindi po kayo anak ng Diyos na exempt sa otoridad ng Estado. Kahit ang Korte Suprema niya ay walang kapangyarihang pigilan ang ganitong inquiries ng Senado. At ang pag-require sa mga taong humarap dito, like any ordinary witness, you of course can invoke the right against self-incrimination only when and has the possibly incriminating question is propounded. Kawalan ng galang sa buong institusyon ng Senado ang iyong pagtangging humarap. Sabi po ni Risa Ontiveros. So, abangan natin po sa mga susunod na hearings. Kung yung may-ari ng universe po ma-stop ang mga ginagawang investigasyon ngayon. At kung siya ay mag-a-appear o hindi. Pag hindi, malamang ipakontempt siya at ipa-aresto, mga kababayan. Yan man lang po yung ating mga balita ngayon. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.
baka lang gusto ninyo itong i-try. Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasoan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Ningxia Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. Ayos po. O yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye po. God bless.
Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international. And bills payment for Meralco bills, PLDT, etc. Kahit saan bansa po kayo gusto na mag-travel, pwede na kayo magpa-online booking dito sa amin para makatipid kayo, makamura. Pati sa mga sa mga hotels nagbo-booking na po kami. May bayad center din po kami rito at saka may Paymaya. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor, Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Chilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Yan yung aming Innova. Lagi pong matao sa amin. Ito yung mga bagong dumating naming gym equipment. Yan po. May treadmill na din po kami. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravillas.